Before the walls, before the chains, before the law wrote out our names, our feet knew sand, our hands knew tide. The sea was wide, no place to hide. They beat the drum, they cut the cane, they ruled the land, they owned the pain. And even then, the shore was closed, a freedom promised but never posed, yeah.
Laws written long before we stood, independence misunderstood. Ink from crowns we never chose, still deciding where our children goes. The
shore is ours, not for sale, not for walls, not for gates that silence ancestral calls.
This land, this sea, this right, this claim was never meant to carry colonial chains. The shore is ours, hear the people cry. No more waiting while the years pass by. Justice delayed is justice denied.
We are not guests on our own coastline. Hotels rise where villages fall, concrete shadows on the water's call. Big walls stand where paths once ran. Security guards tell us who we can be. They say development, they say progress, but whose future are we protecting next? When locals stand at the edge and stare at a beach they cannot dare to share.
You say the law must take its course, but law without justice is silent force. If freedom came but access didn't, then independence stayed unfinished. The
shore is ours, not just a few, not the scraps, not the leftover views, not beaches chosen to keep us quiet, while the best ones fuel a private diet. The shore is ours, time to decide, do we serve the people or the tide of pride? You can't build paradise on exclusion and call delay careful execution. We are not asking, we are reminding that centuries have passed and patience has been exhausted, that colonial laws were never designed for justice, equity, or dignity. That development without access is displacement dressed in policy. That the descendants of the enslaved should not need permission to touch the sea their ancestors were denied. The time is not coming,
the time is now.
The shore is ours, lift your voice, stand tall. This is a national moral call.
Reform the law, unlock the gate. Justice cannot continue to wait. The shore is ours for child and elder, not later, not slower, not gentler. History is watching what we choose. Access denied is freedom refused. Oh.
One day the walls will fall to sand, the law will finally meet the land. When progress walks with dignity and access becomes our legacy. Ooh.